Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of no sound on Chrome browser and it is specific to Chrome browser, I mean the sound is working with other applications, the sound is working on other browsers, then please watch this video. So if it was a general issue with the sound, then I would have said something else. But if it is an issue of sound with Google Chrome only, then check this. Okay, sound is not working on Google Chrome. If you notice this cross button here, then that means that the tab is muted and clicking it will not help because Chrome has a little different mechanism. So you have to right click on this tab and then you will have to click on unmute site. You saw the sound started working. The next case is that what if it is muted from the volume mixer. So click on the system tray here, select the option for volume mixer and make sure that this volume is good enough. It should not be low, it should not be at 0, it should be at a good volume number. I usually keep it at full so that I could manage the volume directly from the tab itself. Okay, the next one is to remove the extensions. So let me show you how to remove the extensions. Okay, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and manage extensions. If you notice any problematic extension here, disable it. If disabling it works, remove it permanently. Okay, remove it. And if nothing else works, then the last option is to reset Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select this option here, settings. Click on reset settings on the list on the left hand side, select restore settings to the original defaults and select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video. I will help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.